Weather impact alert. An important change to our forecast. It had looked like yesterday we're going to have a line of thunderstorms moving through this afternoon. For a lot of the viewing area, that it's more likely going to be pushed back a lot. And I'll explain why. Just stick with me the next 4 minutes or so. We'll dig into all the data. For right now, it's warm, it's muggy. My hair immediately went up when I stepped out this morning. It is just kind of miserable out there feeling. Also a bit of a breeze in place. The past 2 days have been quite windy. Right now, still a southerly component in place. Pre-cold front. Cold front is draped across North Texas right now, bringing some non-severe thunderstorms just under that threshold for Bosque County. Looks like that cell has actually dissipated a little bit over the past few minutes, which is good news, but was hearing of potentially some pocket change size tail again, Bosque County, but moving up towards DFW. Basically stationary, so not moving, is this non-severe thunderstorm to the southwest of Abilene. Causing for flash flood warnings near Gainesville, north of Dallas right now, is some also very slow moving thunderstorms. And because of the precipitation rates that I'm seeing with this same system as it drops south, I think flash flooding is going to be the primary threat as we head on into especially the late night hours tonight for central Texas counties, because the front's not here quite yet. This is one of the components we are watching closely, is where this cold front is going to be situated. And then we're going to watch the isolated to scattered thunderstorms popping up right along that frontal boundary. And likely we have more of these iterations of thunderstorms that are very slow to move, essentially. Can drop quite a bit of rainfall. I mentioned in northern Bosque County to the north of Meridian, near Lake Whitney, as well as Hill County to the north of Hillsborough, right along 81 and the fork of I-35. We are seeing some quick spurts of rain and potentially some, I would say, pea to pocket change type of hail, size of hail. Other than that, it's pretty calm and quiet. Like I said, warm, humid, muggy of conditions is how we would describe the rest of this afternoon for most of central Texas. Some very light, likely non-accumulating rainfall or a heavy mist falling from College Station to Centerville in our eastern counties right now. Just so humid out there, pre-cold front. You can see the hail outlook for today. Just want to briefly mention west of 281 into the big country, especially this afternoon and evening as the front drops south. We do have a likelihood that we're seeing some what we call hailers, thunderstorms with embedded hail. Once you reach radar indicated inch in diameter hail, they would trigger a severe thunderstorm warning. That is the threshold for that. So the cold front is eventually going to drop south. Again, watching for the timing on this. That is going to be the important factor. This particular model has backed off on the afternoon thunderstorms, calling for isolated afternoon and early evening thunderstorms, and then a line of thunderstorms approaching from the west in the late night hours, moving from west to east, weakening as it moves across the viewing area, but potentially again dropping quite a bit of rainfall. Probably going to be loud and rowdy if that situation does verify. About a 20% chance you see rain tomorrow on Wednesday at your house, and then looking a lot more likely as we head on into Thursday. We're going to have daily rain chances, you guys, so it's not going anywhere. If you miss out on it today, don't worry, there's plenty of other chances. Low end, severe threat again. Straight line winds and hail are going to be the primary threats, which is good news. The tornadic threat is very, very low for this particular system. This particular model is pulling in the isolated strong thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, a little bit more than the other model was pulling in. And then late tonight, some more isolated thunderstorms moving in. So model still not in full agreement on the next 24 hours. Again, I think it is all about the cold front where it's going to be situated. So we will continue to watch that. Don't forget, you can always stream radar anytime. It's the same radar we show here on the broadcast on 6 Plus. It's free on your TV. Likely we have a lull in precipitation tomorrow, about 20% in the morning hours. And then Thursday, we're going to have scattered activity on radar once again. Good news being the severe threat starts to go down after today, but the isolated bouts of flash flooding threat, that threat is going to go up, especially if you get rain today, you get rain tonight, you're getting rain again as we head on into Thursday and Friday and the weekend as well. Long range models pulling in isolated pockets of rainfall, potentially some thunderstorm activity Saturday into Sunday as well. Again, we are not going to have any days where it is 0%. We're going to have a lot of days where it's about 30 to 50%. I know that can be frustrating, but it is the back half of May. We typically do have a lot of rich moisture to tap into this time of year. Nothing is changing about that. Again, the severe threat's going down after today. That is the best news I can give you. If you're wondering about outdoor graduations, things of that nature, this may look bleak to you guys. It's not going to be a washout daily. You're not going to see rain every single day at your house. That likelihood is low, but we're going to keep these daily isolated to scattered thunderstorm chances on the board. Again, you want to follow up with radar. get it on 6 Plus. We'll be posting plenty of up-to-date scenarios, all the radar simulations, things of that nature. Just stick with us, you guys. It is typically like this in May. I know it is frustrating. It's not going to be a total washout, and hopefully you can still do your outdoor activities. We'll be back.